Alright, I'm replacing the torsion bars on this '05 Park Avenue. So you want to unbolt your trunk, which is just these 4 bolts, but it's connected with some wiring if you have the automatic trunk pop. So you want to disconnect those, and then I just set it aside. It's the cardboard on the body, and then you got 6 bolts you got to remove. 1, 2, 3 on both sides. To get to those, you got to take the bottom seat out, which is just popped in here. You just pop it over here, pop it over there, slide it forward, and it slides out. And then the backs of the seat, you got to remove the 2 seatbelt bolts, and then it's just hooked on right here. So you just lift it up, and as you can see, it's outside. It slides right out. Then you got to take your molding off. So you pop that piece off, and then you pop that piece from the top, and then from the bottom, set it aside, and then you can pop this piece up. Push it up from here and then out because it hooks in. And that gives you the access to those 6 bolts. And then we took one out at a junkyard because they don't sell them anymore. They don't manufacture them anymore. I'm going to put in this new set of torsion bars. Now, inside the car, there's a metal plate here. If that metal plate wasn't there, you actually could just slide that out and replace them in the trunk. But there's a metal plate there. Anyway, hopefully that helps someone out.